Hello my glam fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this red burgundy look. I've been meaning to do this look for a while. Anyways you guys, I'm really excited. I absolutely love the way this look came out. It's better than what I expected and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you guys cannot wait to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
Hey everyone, so let's just jump right in with the Colourpop Yes Please palette. We are starting off with the color Note to Self on our crease. Then we are moving on to the color G and O and focusing on our outer V mostly. Now we are taking the color French Kiss and smoking out our outer V. Moving on to the semi-precious palette, I'm gonna take this gorgeous red color which is called Easy Go, and I'm applying that color all over my lid. Now I'm taking my Colourpop Rose Quartz setting spray, and instead of spraying it on the brush, I'm spraying it at the back of my hand and I'm dampening my brush from there. Then I'm taking the color Easy Go again and intensifying it a little more. Now I'm taking my fluffy crease brush and blending everything in. Then I'm moving on to the black color from the Dark Matter stack from Melt Cosmetics, and I am smoking the red out. And again going back with the fluffy blending brush. Now I'm taking the color Chauffeur with my pinky finger and applying it in my inner corner. Now I'm using my Cosmetics No Tug waterproof eyeliner. Then I'm moving on to my NYX liquid liner. I've applied the tape prior to starting the video just in case you're wondering. Now I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and after that I'll be applying falsies off the camera. I'm priming my face with my Colourpop Aquamarine priming mist, spraying it first, then blending it in with my finger. Then I'll be applying the Farsali Unicorn Essence and L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'll be mixing it in, and then after I dot the foundations all over my face, I'll be using my Colourpop concealer, and then I'll be blending it in with my beauty blender. Then moving on to contouring, I'm using my NYX Wonder Stick. I'll be blending all my contours in with my oval brush. Moving on to blush, I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. Then I'll be setting my under eye concealer with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Diffused Light. For highlighter, I'll be using today the Morphe X Deysi Danger, and then I'm using the bottom two color on the left side. Then I'm moving on to bronzer, and I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Radiant Bronze. For lipstick, I'm using today my Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Calypso. Then setting everything up with the Colourpop setting spray in Rose Quartz.
So there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video helped you, somehow inspired you. You learned something from it today. Anything I can teach you through this video, or I taught you through this or my previous videos, if that helped you in any way, shape or form in your life, I am honored. I love doing the makeup tutorials. You guys have no idea, I absolutely love it. The reason I'm sharing is because I don't usually share why I do what I do, and this is actually one of my favorite things. I'm always skeptical, and I'm always trying to improve my skills, and I'm always trying to make it better. If there's any way I can make it better for you, my viewers, please comment it below. I will try my best to do it. The more support I get from my viewers is more than enough. So far, however many subscribers I have, however many views I've got, however many comments I've got, people who took their time to comment on my video and let me know that if I did a good job or not, if they loved it or not, and I really appreciate it. I know I don't say it much, but I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, you guys. Whoever is watching, thank you so much. Whoever subscribed or is subscribing, thank you very much. Your support counts. Please do not forget to subscribe, and please do not forget to click on the bell button below once you subscribe to my channel, so that you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Or do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook. I'm mostly active on my Instagram and Facebook, so if you guys follow me there, that also counts as well. Anyways, you guys, I wouldn't take up too much of your time. Hugs and kisses from my heart to yours. Until I see you next time on the video. Bye bye.